by Claybrigg and Ben Loyal and the bonny Kyle of Tongue, the roads we often travelled in the days when we were young. There's magic and there's beauty in those hills while passing through. There's many a mile from Melness to the waters of Kylesku. O'er all of bonny Scotland I dearly love the west. Its bends and glens in summertime, they surely are the best. There's grandeur and there's beauty in those hills when passing through. There's many a mile from Lerk to the waters of Kylesku. By Craggy Pull and Loyal and the cold Backy sands, I've thought of them while soldiering in far-off foreign lands. I dreamt I saw the sunset o'er the hills of Cashilgu. In fancy I was wandering by the waters of Kylesku, where the river never rises in the heights of Ivenhee. Through lovely Strathnaver it's flowing to the sea. The heather bells on Claybrigg side are decked in morning dew. There's many a mile from Langdale to the waters of Kylesku. There's many a mile from Langdale to the waters of Kylesku.